This video is literally to brag about my craft room one more time. I know I said it was done before. Now it's done. Look at this. Fucking heaven. These two things are going, but that's not the point. Look at this. This is beautiful. I don't even want to do anything down there. It's just so clean and perfect right now. It is glorious. Fire's going in the corner. My sewing area all set up, my backdrop, my TV is up. Ooh, gotta show you this. So it like, come on. Oh, hang on a second. Like it pulls out from the wall. And I can tilt it like that. So I can like sit here and be sewing, and then like I have a theater right there. That's what it looks like when I look up. That's what I see. It's like I'm in the movies all the time. It's fabulous. My sewing area. I wrapped this up in rope. Oh, this has more rope in the barn, so I wrapped it all up. I'm gonna put some of my little buttons and stuff on there. And the cats uses it as a scratching post. So yeah, we put some old rugs down. Not really my style, but you know what? They'll do in a pinch. And yeah, Bella's new chair all fixed up for her. What a good girl she is. And look, even Georgie has a tiny chair. Look at that. Look at the size of the chair. Look at the size of the cat. Oh my god, is that not perfect? My shelves are all done. Everything was moved up. The floor is painted. We had to put Ruby down a week or so ago, so my little space is empty now. It's kind of weird without her. Very weird without her. I miss you, Ruby. Oh yeah, all my fabrics up there. Everything is all neat and tidy, and I have little to no desire to make anything because it is so freaking perfect. Like, look at that shot. My god. Like, seriously, is that not the most beautiful thing in the world? How could that not be any more perfect? Ah, I love it. I love this space. And the room. I can, look at me. I'm not touching anything. There's nothing to touch. Oh, it's amazing. Love it. Like the lights I can turn on and off. Yeah. I'm still gonna move this one like over here, but whatever. It's just amazing. Look at me. I can move. I can lay a whole queen-size quilt on this floor and not touch anything. It's amazing. I love it. Ah, I'm just bragging, okay? I am literally just here to brag about this space of mine. It should have been like this years ago. Oh, this feels so nice. See you, everybody.